Welcome to our next tutorial, that is Java string, string buffer and string builder. So generally in the interviews, interviewer asks the question what is the difference between string and string buffer, and then between string buffer and string builder. Let's see. So generally the answer comes like string is immutable whereas string buffer is mutable. So we will see that practically what is meant by mutable and immutable. Now the other thing they may ask is where we use string and where we use string buffer and string builder. So basically where the content or data is fixed and it would not change frequently, then we will use string. And in the string buffer, if the content is not fixed, means the data that you have is keep on changing, then you can use string buffer. Now the second question is what is the difference between string buffer and string builder? So string buffer and string builder both are mutable, and again the same thing, if the content is not fixed then you can choose string buffer or string builder. The main difference is string builder is thread safe, means only one thread can run at a time on that particular object, whereas in the string builder thread is not safe and you can actually allow multiple thread running on that string builder object. So these are the main differences. So let's see that practically. Here I have created three classes. Let's see first class, where actually I created string object and I'm passing nimit as a value to this s object. Then I'm trying to concat another content, that is gen, with this s object. Let me remove this first. So if I run it, I got the value nimit. So I'm trying to actually concat this gen value with nimit, which is actually pointing to this s string object. So here in the string pool memory, there is one location where we have this nimit gen value, but it is not pointing to anywhere. Whereas we have one location where s is actually pointing to this nimit value, and we are printing this s right now. So that is why it prints s. And now if we point this object again to this s, then we get nimit gen value. So here when we say it is immutable, immutable means we cannot change the value of the object once it is assigned. So here first we assigned value s, so we printed it as nimit. Then we again assign nimit gen to this object. So here we are not changing this object value, but here we are getting a new object s which has nimit gen value, and this nimit value is actually now available for garbage collection. If we see this string buffer example, here we created a string buffer object which actually pointing to this nimit value, and here we can append another content with this object because string buffer is mutable. And if we print this, we actually get nimit gen directly. So here if you notice, we are not again assigning this new value to this string buffer object because string buffer object is mutable, and it is actually updated this gen value with the previous value. So we get nimit gen as a value. And in the string buffer, everything is same. We have created another object, that is string builder object. We assigning nimit value to it, and then we append another value gen to this string builder object, and if we print it, then again we will get value as limit gen. So here string is immutable, where we need to actually assign the value again to the object, and previous object values got garbage collected, whereas in string builder and string buffer the object has the capability to append or to change its state. Alright, now another difference between string buffer and string builder is in the string buffer it is thread safe, means only one thread can run at a time, whereas a string builder multiple threads can run at a time, and performance wise string builder is better. So these are the differences. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.